Hey guys, it is Ian with Big Tex Ordnance, and welcome to the weekly update. Guys, I need a little hand today, so I have my assistant with me. We have a couple restocks. We have some restocks on the website. Aimpoint P2s and Sniper Gray. Can't go wrong. They look good on your guns. Shotguns, handguns, top mounted on your AR. 2.5 MOA dot on the website. Acro P2s. We might have some in different colors too. We've had them in FD, we've had them in black. I know we have the Sniper Gray in stock. Check out the website. Edgar Sherman Design Slings. This pattern is the AOR1, but we got them in M81, Tiger Stripe, black, green, multicam Tropic, Tiger Stripe. Anything your little heart desires when it comes to your slings. Support the dudes over there. I'm running a bunch of their slings. Love them. Super lightweight, low profile. They have the pull tab on them so you can make quick adjustments, swim out of it easy, swim into it easy. Edgar Sherman Design. Check them out. We have their grips in stock too. Magpul stocks. Look at it. Why'd you do that?
Stocks in stock.
We got stocks in stock on the website. This is one of the new dual tension stocks from them. That shit locks up tight on your buffer tube. If you want a good solid stock, check out Magpul. Check out the new lineup we have all in stock on the website. This is a dual tension, but we got the full fresh lineup. Having a brain fart on what the names are, but good stuff coming out of them. Again, support the homies. You are not good at this. Check them out. GASCAPS and mod button lights. Fresh shipment of Unity GASCAPS, mod button light with the new USB-C plug, and then we have the full lineup of Axon switches. So if you're looking to make the switch, if you're setting up a new light, check out the Unity Axon gas cap switches. Great stuff coming out of them. And just boost your light to the next generation of USB plugs. Listen, Apple finally made the switch to USB plugs. Now flashlights are making the switch to USB plugs. Check them out on the website, Black FDE, and we have all the switch configurations if you're looking for just the light, momentary, constant, light, laser, dual switches. We have every switch your little heart will desire when it comes to flashlights. Check them out. Unity, mod light, mod button, gas caps, Axon switches. And the last, we got a fresh shipment of Sprinco springs. That's a tongue twister, people. That is a tongue twister. Green, blue springs, white springs, yellow springs, white hot. Every spring you need for your AR, you should be using Sprinco. They're great. It really smooths out your AR. We carry all the small springs too from them. If you guys need to replace any springs inside your BCG, we have all that covered as well. Check them out. They're good for the A5 system, the regular carbine system. Sprinco. Do you have anything for us?
No, I think you touched everything.
I see what you did there. Edgar Sherman, Aimpoint, Unity, Mod Light, Sprinco, Magpul. Check it out. Fresh shipment on the website. Thank you for watching. Thank you for liking. Drop a comment. Hit the subscribe button. Send us an email. If you guys need anything, please let us know. We are here for you. We miss you. We love you. Go forth and conquer. Guys, make sure you get medical training too so your arm doesn't end up falling off. It's super important in 2024. Carry a tourniquet. I got nothing. Nothing more. Send us lunch. Still waiting. Love you. I love your mom. Check us out. Be good. I miss you. How was that?
You love whose mom?
And I love every mom. Everyone's mom I love. Your mom, their mom, my mom, your mom's mom, aka your grandma. The moms, I just love a good mom.